Can you build an app without writing a single line of code? Of course you can. You can just go ahead and sign in on this website, which is called flutterflow.io, and you can build your application without writing a single line of code. So I've already done my account, and this is my account. And once you are here on your dashboard, you can just click here, create new, and you can build a Flutter application without writing a single line of code. So I'm gonna name my project YouTube video app, and then I can select this blank application. If you want to choose some pre-made UIs, then you have to upgrade your account. So currently I'm using a free account. I can just use this blank application. So once you do that, on so it says that our package name is this. You can change it to your own package name, or you can just skip this. So once you are on this screen, on the left hand side, here are so many options which I will show you step by step, and I will also explain what are these things and what are the options on the right hand side. So let's just first talk about on the left hand side we have this pages. So let's say we have more than one page of the application. You can just go ahead and create a new page. So let's say we have a login page in our app as well. So create a login page. This is our home page. This is our login page. Our home page. For our login page, we can just write login. On our home page, we can just write here welcome. All right. Next, we have this UI builder. On the UI builder, we have all the widgets. So these are the Flutter widgets which you can just drag and drop. So if I want to use a checkbox, I can just drag and drop, paste it here. So this is a checkbox. Okay. So another amazing thing here is that we have components here. So we can just use pre-made UIs. So let's say you want to add a welcome screen here. Just drag and drop here. Just use add column and done. Another thing we can do here is that we can add an option to log in with Google. Just add it here. All right, so it looks pretty nice, right? And we have so many other options as well. You can just go ahead and explore it by yourself. I'm gonna copy this as well. Okay, add column. All right. Okay, so our welcome page is ready. So next we have widget tree. So if you have this home page, on the home page we have app bar and all this stuff. Okay, so you can see all the tree here. Down below we have something great. This is Flutter Firestore. So you can just use the Firebase Firestore in your application if you want to store some data. I have made a complete video on how to use Firebase Firestore. You can just go ahead and check it out. So you can just make your app here, and you can connect your with your Firestore project on here. So all the collections will go here, and all the documents will be visible here. All right, so let's go ahead, and this is our local state. So if you want to add some variables here, you can just make your own variables from here. If you go down here, we have option to connect your application with the API, and then we have some other options as well. You can upload, manage all your files, all your images and videos, icons which are related to your app. You can just upload from here, and you can use these in your application. Down below we have some custom code. If you are a good coder, or you want to make your own code, you can just adjust your coding here. All right, so down below we have options for settings. There are so many options here. We can customize our nav bar, and we can customize our Firebase. You can just add your Firebase project ID here, and you can connect your app with the Firebase superpowers. You can add your team member here. You can use the authentication here. Since we added here this sign in with Google, you can connect this with your Firebase Google account by enabling this option. Next we have GitHub, and you can connect your app with GitHub. Of course, for this you have to upgrade your account. Next we have deployment. All right, so we have integrations. You can integrate all these things here. You can add ad mob in your app. You can show ads. You can earn from your application. You can use the push notifications from here. All right, so our application is pretty much good, and we can just run the app. So just click on this run button, and then it will run your application. um, Let me click here. So it is building my application. It will take like 2 to 4 minutes to build my app. So this is some great application which we just made without writing a single line of code. And you can just use your own screen size to test your application on different screen sizes. And so you can just make your application public, and you can share this application with your client or anyone else. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.